Is the sleeve giving what it's supposed to give? Kindly comment down below if you think it does. Hey my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gatti and thank you so much for stopping by. So if you're interested to see how I made this cute bell sleeve with V-shape effects, then you definitely need to keep on watching. So guys, this is the fabric that I'll be using to cut my sleeve, and depending on the length and the wideness of your sleeve, you'll need about 1.5 yards of the fabric for you to be on a safer side. You'll also need a tape measure and your measurements to make the sleeve. As you can see, I already cut out a fabric that is enough for my sleeve, and the length of this fabric is 25 inches and the width is 15.5 inches on fold. When you open it up, it will add up to 31 inches. We'll first draft our basic sleeve, then alter it to make our bell sleeve. So from the top, we're going to take all our vertical measurements, and as you can see, I came down by 5.5 inches. I'll mark the points and connect them together to form a straight line. Afterwards, I'm going to take my shoulder to elbow measurements. I'll mark the points and connect them together to form a straight line. Next, I'll put my sleeve length measurement and rule a straight line. From the very top, we're going to come out by 5.5 inches. We'll mark the points. Then on this line, we're going to come out by 5.5 inches as well. Then we're going to connect the 2 points together to form a straight line. From the corner where we have the fold, we're going to draw a very smooth curve, and that will act as our armhole curve. Now I'll measure my armhole length, mark the points, then I'll add 2 inches seam allowance. From this line, we'll come down by 1 inch, and that will act as our upper arm. Then I'll draw a straight line to join the 2 points together. Now I'll take my upper arm measurements, add 2 inch seam allowance and mark the points. On the elbow line, I'll take the elbow circumference, add 2 inches as well and mark the points. On the hemline, I'll take my wrist circumference measurements, add 2 inches seam allowance and mark the points. Now we're going to connect all these points that we marked together to form our basic sleeve. The basic sleeve is only going to act as a guide for our bell sleeve. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. For your belt sleeve, it actually depends with how wide you want yours to be. As for me, I wanted it to be about 8 inches wide. So from this point, I'll mark about 8 inches. Then I'll mark the point. Then I'll connect this point to my armhole line, as you can see me doing. So for the V-shaped effect, we'll come up by 2.5 inches from this point. You can as well come up by 3 inches or even 1 inch. It totally depends on you. So I'll mark the 2.5 inches because I want mine to be almost like the one on the thumbnail. Then I'm going to connect it to that point and draw a straight line. Now we're basically done with our bell sleeve. I will cut it and use it to cut my other sleeve.
Anybody do that dance a nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless.
So guys, this is how the sleeves looked after attaching them to the dress. I think they really looked cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.